What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Curl, man. We back with another video, man. Today, we about to, I'm gonna go wash the car right now. And we probably gonna go to a little cruise later. Then we gonna drive the Buc-ee's or something like that. So yeah, man, getting this content for y'all, man. We going up, running it up all 2024, man. But yeah, I'm in the Audi right now. Finna head out. Man, this thing's so luxury and nice, bro. This thing, bro. I fall in love with this car every day, bro. Like, I really like the new look on it and everything. If y'all haven't seen that video, man, when I transformed the whole car, y'all go watch that video. But right now, I'm finna go wash the car off, get it cleaned up, and then we finna probably stop by my auntie house and get some to eat, cause she cook, you know what I'm saying? You got free food, the best food, you feel me? So finna go get some to eat from over there. Then I'm gonna meet up with some of my partners. And then yeah, we're gonna go to the cruise and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera when I get to the car wash, show y'all the car and washing it off and everything. So yeah.
Flawless, flawless.
Alright, y'all, I just got the car cleaned up, man, so let me show you the car. Yeesh. This thing looking good. Cleaned up very nice, very nice. But yeah, man. Got her shining. Now I'm about to head to go get some to eat, and then we're gonna get in motion, man. Probably go to the cruise. Yeah, man. We'll get some gas too, cause it's kind of good on gas actually. It's better than the Mustang, but yeah, we'll get some gas, and then yeah, we're gonna get in motion. Jim, that was like though, man. Yeah, twin, yeah. Yes sir.
Thanks.
Y'all ever shoot flames? Yeah, we just met up with some of my boys, man. We about to go see what's going on. But that's thanks. That's the vlog, man. We just met up with Roy too.
What's going on, man?
Family. Man, it's hard to feel G in the city, man.
That's it.
S5?
S5?
Yeah.
How you like that?
I just got it. Yeah, man. I had a Mustang before, so. Hey! Man, just pulled up, man.
I fell in love with hip-hop, man.
What's up?
I fell in love with hip-hop.
What's up, bro? You good? Chillin'. The boy got the lights on the side, okay? Oh, with LED lights on them. I'm gonna be shining that night, bro.
Yeah.
But yeah. You ready? Y'all ready? We finna go ahead and head out there.
Yeah.
Alright, but we finna, just follow us. You ain't even seen it. They're like a whole new car now, bro. Alright, come on. Hey, don't put, hey, Tay, give me a pour right here. What Hefner, what you eating?
A sneaker. Chill a bit.
That boy. I'm telling you, boy, that thing, my thing saying right,
shit
bro.
on here, boy. You fight shit, man.
Appreciate you, brother.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, man. We got the whole gang here now, y'all. We finna go to the original meetup spot. We all just met up together so we can cruise to the meetup spot where the crew's gonna be at. But yeah, we finna get in motion, y'all. So I'm gonna pick up the camera when we get to the original meetup spot. We just got to the meetup spot, y'all.
Like 40 cars.
Isn't that straight?
Yeah.
We just got to the little meetup spot.
100 cars, nigga?
Yeah, I want 200, nigga. W video for my subscribers. Yeah, we just got to the little meetup spot. We finna go get, I'm gonna get some french fries. We go to the varsity. There's some cars here, bro. It's a CTSV. Dang, boy, get a CTSV, bro. Really clean. On me. It look like it's paint. I don't think that's a wrap. Yeah. Sheesh. That'd be hard. But yeah, man, we're finna go in here. Hopefully some more cars by the time we come back out.
No, he be running.
But yeah. You take your tag off. What's that? I'm not going to jail. Second.
Bro, I never ate this shit in my life.
We're at the varsity and he just bought a glizzy, y'all. You got a glizzy, twin?
Yo. This is my first time ever eating this shit in my life.
For real? This is my second time. We're finna see what they're talking about though.
I know it ain't talking about nothing.
He just got a glizzy with extra chili on it. Yeah, man.
got lost.
Look at me, bro. Shout out to the party. But
I missed the exit.
No, but to the wrong exit. Well, yeah, man.
Let me see that motherfucker.
Alright, y'all, we just pulled up, man. We didn't pull up. We had when we got food. But now since we came back out, it got deep, bro. Okay, got a 350Z. Got a Mustang. Carbon fiber hood. Oh my God, bro. I miss this thing, bro. Okay, got an Audi gang. Boy said he supercharged. Yes, sir. Got a vet. Y'all know I love the vets, man. I'm still gonna get one. Got a Supra. There's some cars here, bro.
I will cash out you right now.
Around 800. Slide over here. Okay.
That's her shit, too. They got that motherfucker.
Dude, man.
She got it built to What about your axles? No, it's still stock turbo. They're fine. They're good for how much? I don't know. I mean, I could, like I said,
Cars up here. Huh? What?
You go to New Edge Mustang?
Oh.
Right here.
Where's the dream car?
You can go faster than 140.
Oh, shit, you got a 4-charger.
Oh, yeah.
M4?
No, it's slow. No, it's not. No, it's not. Oh, the turbo's the size of my ass, but it's not slow. It's slow.
It just sounds good.
There's a few cars, man. That shit is gonna be lit, bro. Gonna be lit, little cruise. Oh, had to slide through there. Got a cover. It's a cover. Oh, I'm finna have a Corvette. I was gonna have a Corvette, man. There's some cars pulling up, bro. Dang, this thing clean. Good fitment, okay. Got a Mustang Dark Horse. Okay. Yes, sir. But we got all my brother's cars. We got the hardest cars here. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? I lucky Tay ain't bring his car. He would have shut down the whole car meet. You feel me? You feel me? But yeah. He would. This is a Hellcat killer. He got a big block stroker in this motherfucker. When he driving, it shakes.
I'm getting rid of my car, so it don't matter. I'm gonna get that right there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man. Walk down here. You got an ISF with a carbon fiber hood. This thing clean. Got a Hellcat with no bumper.
I thought it was a red eye.
Cars out here, bro. There's a lot of cars pulling up. Yeah, man. I'm getting this content for y'all, man. I'm gonna pick up the camera when we start leaving out. I pretty much showed y'all the cars that's here right now. But yeah, got a 1LE. 1LE, man. Alright, y'all, we finna roll out now. Everybody's starting to roll out. I should have went ahead and went out. Cause now we got we kind of trapped in because all the cars coming around. But yeah, we finna get in motion. We gon' I got Tay with me, so he finna get some clips for y'all, man, while we driving and stuff. Finna be lit. And after we go to the cruise, we're gonna go to another car meet after that. So this finna be a lit video, man. So y'all just stay tuned, man. We finna get in motion. I got another Fennell. I said I Fennell, goddamn Latham. I mean Latham, goddamn Latham. I got that. I got Latham with me, bro. Everybody be cruising out right now. real?
Yeah.
That one that had the shit scraping?
Yeah.
I knew it was something wrong. Oh, that shit ain't hit my car. Oh, damn! Make it souffle! Make it souffle! Pull behind her. Pull behind. Pull in the back. But yeah, man, we just got the buggies, man. Bro, this thing look good as. Bro, this thing look good, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the cars, how the cars here. So after we leave here, I'll go to a car meet. So, hey, it's a W. Bro, 12 was trying to.
Hey, bro, I see y'all. I'm like, bro.
Then he rolled beside me, bro. I'm like, this nigga trying to race?
Bro, you see, I seen you slow down and got behind y'all. I'm like,
yeah,
man,
bro.
I know this nigga ain't gonna do no bullshit.
I know, but then I had my paper tag. I think he messed with me because I got a paper tag on, so. Yeah. Yeah. Make sure my shit ain't stolen. But yeah, we did it wrong way. I'm telling you. Yeah, man, we just parked our cars. There's a lot of cars. Hey, I'm probably. Cat just pulled up, man. Cars are here, bro. Dang. Got the dark horse. Yeah, man, it's deep, bro. It's still like a whole bunch of cars pulling in right now. Over there, bro. I sold it.
Oh, you didn't get to the shirt?
No, not they let me take them off. Sheesh. Got a Chevy SS with the B locks on the back, man. This thing clean. Sheesh, 4 stars. Hey, should I put some 4 stars on the Audi? He got like a forged carbon wrap hood. Dang, that's hard. This thing clean, bro. But I'm finna go around and show y'all all the other cars before we have to leave because the police here. So yeah, we gonna I'm finna show y'all the other cars in here real fast, and then we gonna head out and go to the original car meet, chill meet, where you can sit down and show all the car stuff. So yeah, man, about to show y'all the cars, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. Got a Mustang with the drag pack. Hey man, I love me a Mustang. I ain't gonna lie. I'm definitely gonna get another one in the future, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man, so your boy can get another Mustang. We have a Mustang in the vet, and they got the Corsa exhaust on it. Sheesh. Hey, but try to mess with us on the way here, bro.
It was like 8 of us, and we finally just like, fuck it, we gonna go.
Bro.
We was like, and then they all seen him at the last second and just like, stop.
Bro, I swear, bro, this was not no cruise. Oh yeah. Bro, that M4 right there, bro. He was like hitting it right beside the police. I'm like, bro.
They both pulled up next to me. I started hitting my exhaust to jingle bells.
Bro.
Oh my god.
Got the Supra. Get some gas, man. Got the camo Dolph wrap hat Hellcat over here. Got the Scat. But yeah, man, that's a lot of cars, bro. I'm telling you, bro, it's probably at least about 200 cars out here, bro. And then I'm pretty sure the other meet gonna be even deeper. Everybody leaving from here and cruising to the other meet spot. But yeah, man, that's some cars out here, bro. So, buckets packed out full of cars. Y'all, so we just got to the car meet where everybody, you know, the park and chill meet now. It's at Bass Pro Shop. Some whip.
Telling that it's good.
Oh yeah, man, there's some whips out here, man. Ooh, got a vet. Okay. Got a vet.
Oh, I thought it was a C7 with him, but I was like,
They got
you got headers?
You got headers? Okay, Mari, you got some competition, Mari.
Yeah, they got an intake, that's the.
Yeah. You got the cat right there, man. Got a Mustang pulling in.
That's the air ram.
Cars in here. Got prison police car, what? That was
Pure steel welded.
Got the cat on the tire. Yeah, man, there's a lot of cars here, man. Still people pulling up. Got the cat over there. This kind of like the pre-meet to Caffeine Octane tomorrow too, so I'm gotta get up early for that. So yeah, man. The boy just getting all this content for y'all, man. Yeah. I'll show y'all the cars that's here, man. You got a big one. I know, I love it. I can't go back. We got a big wang on that thing, huh?
Damn. Just Terminator.
Where?
Here to the right.
Dang, bro, we got a Terminator over here, a Cobra. It's a 12 car meet over there, bro. At least I ain't making us leave. Sheesh, it's a clean Terminator, bro. Oh my God. Man, this Terminator is clean, bro. I want one of these too, bro. I ain't gonna lie. These wheels go crazy. I want one of these too, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it's the real one. It got the Cobra and then in the back. It's the real one, man. Sheesh.
You got the badge. I think it is though.
Dang.
I don't want this.
Bro, this man tripping, bro. I'm like, I'm driving regular, bro. Chill, you swerving, bro. You swerving. Like, I'm like, bro.
Cause he got on the side of us.
I'm like, bro, trying to race.
Pull back up, got on the side of us again. So this nigga curl like this. On their phone, I'm like, bro, what the fuck is you doing, bro?
Bro, he's talking. Hey, wait, okay. Okay. Now we talking, baby. Yes, sir. the channel soon, bro. I think it's a Pro Charge CL6, though. I'm telling you, bro. I think it's Pro Charge.
It is.
Yeah, I was
Sheesh.
yesterday.
Can't wait to get mine, bro.
He was like revving.
It's coming to the channel soon, bro. But prove it otherwise. He said he made 400 horsepower with this, y'all. What the hell?
Hey,
Nah,
turn it around. Hey. 400 to the wheels. That's all we got.
400 to the wheels.
400 to the front wheel.
Oh, to the front wheel. Yeah. Nah. Oh my God. Bro, what else? What you said?
So you thought I would put a Pro Charge on that if I got a ZL6?
Bro, they do
You know
that.
how to do? I got a Kung blower. It's way faster.
Bro, they do that though.
A Kung blower with a
They go
cam.
built, fully built motor Pro Charger on
A
CL6.
Kung blower with a cam.
I'm telling you, bro. I know all about vets, bro. That's why. What do you think I was trying to get one for?
Who the hell you talking to? You like I don't know shit.
My new car, ugly. What that? My thumbnail like that, I count. You got a boy on nose?
Nigga, do I?
Boy got a big ass book in his. That boy got a big ass book in his nose. But nah. But yeah, man, that thing hard, bro. That boy Rob pulled up in the motherfucking, in that motherfucker, man. Sheesh. Pulled up with that motherfucker, man. In that bit?
No, I don't think so.
Sheesh.
Yesterday we was out in the cold. His ass got sick.
Man,
Yeah, the house.
We in there, we got them. It cold as fuck, y'all. We out here getting the content for y'all, man. This thing right here, y'all get the money glitch right here.
Trying to get the money glitch, man.
Money glitch.
What's the move? That's the 10-year money glitch. I need the right
He said it's 10 year, 10 year, bro. It don't matter.
I'm trying to ask you a question, bro.
I need the glitch. I'm trying to get the first track.
Alright, let me tell you. Y'all ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So you gonna take your right hand, stick it up the person to your left ass.
Not the glitch. That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, no.
Hey, nigga literally digging for gold. Like, come on.
They gonna go try that shit for real.
Niggas finna go dig for gold. I told you I had to pick one of these up, goddamn. Oh my God, bro, a Supra, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Y'all subscribe, keep subscribing and liking, bro. This gonna be on the channel too. Oh my God. No cap. I'm gonna have 1,000 cars, bro. Hey, Supra, bro. Oh my God.
There's like an Acura.
Bro, this is one of my dream cars too, bro. Supra. Bro, I got so many dream cars. It don't make no sense.
So I get to slow down.
Yeah, man. I want to see flames. They don't shoot flames. They said that we don't shoot flames.
That motherfucker.
That bitch do shoot flames. Look at that, it's a troll.
Blow a nigga in.
Hey, Twag gonna bring the guns over this bitch. Twag gonna come shoot our ass. Hey, Twag, hey, Twag gonna come shoot our ass, boy. They said they got the switches over there. Oh my God. Hey, Twag gonna think we got the switches over there, bitch. They got the switches. Hey, hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah.
That bitch just started shooting.
Yeah, it's gotta get warm. You gotta keep going.
Yeah.
You gotta let that bitch warm up.
What's your message to Shawnio?
So what?
What's your message to Shawnio?
You got to let it warm up.
Keep going.
Hey, tell him to keep going. That bitch was just getting hot.
Hey, it was just warming up, bro.
Hey, it was just warming up, man.
Hey, tell Shaq to keep going. Hey, he stopped when that bitch started shooting.
Man, this thing so hard, bro. I had to double back, boy. This thing clean, bro. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get one of these, bro. No cap. But yeah, man, this car meet was lit, man. We're starting about to head out because I'm going to Caffeine Octane in the morning. This is gonna be the first time I take the Audi to Caffeine, so yeah, man, we finna be lit, bro. But yeah, everybody's starting to leave out. My boy Quan, all them boys had pulled up, man. But yeah, man, we're finna end the vlog here, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. We gonna keep running it up, man. We out.
Tired of being humble and racks in my pocket. I wanna pull up exotic. I wanna pull up in big body pants. I want a Maserati. Bad bitch, she ain't got no body. Don't wanna be with high mileage. Get out the mud like sand, man. I want from